𝗳𝗓𝒻𝐴𝐴𝐴.
𝗂𝗓𝒻𝐴𝐴𝐴.
So today we are back with one new patient from UK. She's Sharon. She came at Sai Holistic Dental Care for her holistic dental treatment. So we'll hear from her how was her experience with us. Welcome, Sharon.
Welcome.
So please introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. I'm Sharon from Scotland, and I live in England. Arrived here on the 1st of October. So I've been here 10 weeks.
10 weeks.
So I'm like part of the furniture.
Part of the family, I would say, will be the good option, not the furniture. Yeah. So please tell me, how was your experience with us in just one or two lines?
It's been amazing. I've totally transformed. I came here and I was really tired, chronic fatigue, depressed, anxiety, and now I'm a new person.
So these were the issues you were facing previously, like chronic fatigue since years, chronic depression,
Yes.
and not able to do any work.
Yeah.
And you told me that you quitted the job because of this fatigue.
Yeah.
Okay. So after the treatment, what all has changed in your life?
Well, I've got a new burst of energy, and I've got lots of plans for the future. So yeah.
So no fatigue as of now.
No, no.
A new energy, a new bond shares is there.
Yep, I've been out dancing at the local weddings of an evening that we've crashed, me and one of the other patients. So yeah, it's been great fun. Yeah.
So you're no fatigue in the evenings, and you're going to the weddings, enjoying dancing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and also you told me there is some constipation issues that is also solved, like you used to have constipation for 3-4 days in a row. So all that is solved.
Yeah, and also I used to have to go to the toilet for a wee quite often.
Quite often.
And it's not as often now.
Okay.
So yeah, I think it's because I've been cleared of all my mouth infections, and I'm eating 3 healthy hand cooked with love meals per day, from your wife, lovely wife. And then I'll do homeopath pills.
So what all treatment you took with us? Dental treatment?
I've had 12 extractions, 3 cavitations, 2 fillings, and
one was amalgam replacement.
mercury replaced, mercury filling replaced with ceramic, and my teeth cleaned, and dentures. So all in 6 surgeries.
6 surgeries.
Yeah.
No, 6 times the surgeries was done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I remember there was a huge swelling in the palate region, and all this area was the numb when you came.
Yeah. Yeah. Right around there, it was like the 3D scan. It was like a big gap, which
Big
was really
hole.
big hole, which was really scary. And when I get the 3D scan done, I was scared. I was that scared that I didn't do anything for 6 months.
So anyways, we did the surgery and cleaned everything. Now it has healed.
Yeah.
And you cannot see even there is anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And was it any pain while doing the surgeries? How was it during the surgeries? Or you were screaming out in the pain?
Well, with the 6 surgeries, none of the surgeries were painful during the surgery whatsoever. Maybe some tugging and stuff. But the third surgery that I had 3 root canals extracted, and I did tooth extracted, that was 4. That was my biggest surgery, and I needed a painkiller that evening on just the one occasion because it was such a lot of work that was done, and that's all. I was taking IV vitamin C and the homeopath pills.
Yeah, so on all this treatment of 12 extractions, cavitations, mercury replacement, you only took 1 tablet of painkiller only once.
Yeah.
So otherwise it was all managed with the alternative ways of healing.
Yes.
Okay. So no painkiller, no antibiotic was given to you other than once 1 tablet.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would you say? Did we use any anesthesia while doing any fillings, mercury replacement?
No.
Okay. So it was pain-free without that also? Okay. So what would you like to say to the viewers who are watching this video, that if they are indicated for root canal, or dentist has indicated them for root canal, they are having mercury fillings and they are suffering?
Well, just face your fears and make an appointment, a consultation with Dr. Dev, and book your flight and get here. It's an amazing experience.
Thank you. And you told me you lost some weight also while you were here.
Yes, when I first arrived, I was about 7.5 stone, and then after a month with all the lovely meals, and I was doing lots more walking than just now, I got down to 6'10", and now I'm 7 stone. I just weighed myself there, so I'm 7 stone, but I've still lost 7 pounds.
Okay.
So
that's quite interesting. Without any medicine, without anything.
Yeah.
With the food, with the power of the food, you lost this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because before I'd eaten a lot of processed foods and junk food, whereas here there's none of that whatsoever. I mean, you could easily buy it at the shops, but we just stick to the 3 meals.
Yeah. And it was all the powerful meals, well cooked in the Ayurvedic style, well served in the Ayurvedic style. We grow all the food at our farms mostly, so we know how it is grown, how it is processed, and how it is served.
And we had an amazing day when you invited us to the farm. And we got to meet the buffaloes and see the tomatoes and the pulses growing. So that was amazing. And then we went for a little swim in the waterfall. That's fantastic. So thank you for taking the time.
So how would you like to say, what would you like to say? How is the accommodation? How is the food? Everything?
The room's very spacious, and the bed is probably, is it a queen or a king size? It's masses of room, like I was spread out. And my room had aircon and the fan and a TV, and the sheets changed once a week, and the meals hand delivered to your room and hand cooked with lots of love. So it's brilliant. And we're up in the rooftop, so lots of space outside. You can do yoga or sunbathe or dance about or do anything you want.
The basic advantage I would say is staying here is I can see you in the nights also if there is any problem after the surgery, if it is painful or if there happening anything, I am there to take care 24/7.
Yeah, because you normally come up and check on us after surgery, make sure we're okay.
Yeah.
So that might be like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
Which is great. So the 24/7 care, I mean, what other place can you get that? I don't know of anywhere else.
No.
You can get that care, so come.
Yeah.
come.
So, how did you find us? I forgot to ask you, how did you find us? Or what made you come from UK to here? There are thousands of dentists crossing them.
Yeah, well, I was doing lots of research. I went on your Facebook group, and there was lots of video reviews there. And I watched all of them, and then I contacted about 3 ladies who'd been here previously, just to find out what it was like, and more information, because I was like, it's a big step for a lone female to come to India, to come to a country she's never been before. It's overseas solo, so that was quite scary.
You just came for the dental treatment with us.
Yeah. But I've had a great time and going off on day trips and
here and there.
Yeah.
So I would like to mention that she is wearing a denture as of now in the upper and lower arch, and you cannot make it out with her voice, with her smile, anything. So what would you say? Why did you opt for the denture?
I wanted something that was less evasive, and I could take in and out if I want, that wasn't permanent.
Yeah.
Implants, they just scare me because they've got to screw them in into the bone, and they can get infected, and they don't have they can last between 5 and 15 years. So I didn't want anything screwed into my jaw bones. And with a bridge, the 2 teeth on either side they have to get shaved down and stuff. So I didn't want anything sort of any of my teeth to be sort of messed about with or anything.
Yeah. So we also do not recommend implants as they are still the foreign body put into your mouth, drilled into your mouth.
I've seen there seems to be biological holistic companies that are advocating implants, and I don't understand that because it's not biological in my eyes.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So thank you for choosing us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.